In the year 1719, iron first sang upon the banks of the Derwent. By 1730, the furnace rose, breathing fire into iron, birthing blister steel. Through the 1740s, its flames carried Newcastle's name across Europe. By 1753, the roar of 150 tons a year echoed through steam engines and wagons. Yet times changed, and by the late 19th century, silence fell, its fires quenched between 1875 and 1891. Restored in 1990, the furnace endures, a monument of stone and flame, whispering the story of Britain's industrial dawn.